President Donald Trump says America loves India. He is on a whirlwind two-day tour of the country. Reporting on that tonight is Owen Jensen, our new White House correspondent. Owen, welcome to the EWTN News Nightly family.
Hi, Tracy. You talk about a warm welcome. From the minute President Trump arrived in India, it was pageantry, music, and big cheering crowds. President Trump and the First Lady got quite the welcome from Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and the Honorable President of United States of America, Mr. Donald Trump.
The president used day one of his 36-hour visit to reaffirm close ties with the Prime Minister, and at a rally speech in front of more than 100,000 people, he brought a message of unity.
The First Lady and I have just traveled 8,000 miles around the globe to deliver a message to every citizen across this nation. America loves India.
And the president also talked business.
We are in the early stages of discussion for an incredible trade agreement to reduce barriers of investment between the United States and India.
Later, President Trump and the First Lady toured the Taj Mahal. The Trumps will spend Tuesday in New Delhi, where protests erupted over a new citizenship law. The law provides fast-track naturalization for some foreign-born religious minorities, but not Muslims. Now, tomorrow, Tuesday, both leaders will meet again to talk trade. And by the way, India says it will be buying $3 billion worth of American military equipment. Tracy?
Correspondent Owen Jensen reporting tonight from the White House for us. Thank you, Owen.